So hi, this is Piyu again and welcome to my channel Piyu Space. So today I am making this video to share something with you. The thing is that recently I have bought something from Amazon and which I have found super cool. So that's why I am making this video so that you can get to know that what is the thing which I have bought and why I am calling that thing a cool one. So keep watching to know what the thing is, and so that you can buy that thing also to decorate your place. So keep watching. So here is the lamp. Yes. So look wise, it is very modern, stylish and cute. So it made out of aluminium. You can see that it has very clean lines, and I always prefer clean line furnitures. Clean line furnitures always make a place feel larger. So that's why I love this lamp, because look wise it is very sleek. Now why it is cool? Because you can move the direction of the light according to your choice. So like this way you can put it down, or whenever you want you can move the head towards upward, so that the whole room will be light up. Yeah. And while you want to read something, so put it down towards your book. So isn't it cool? Besides, it has lots of utilities. Can be used it up as cozy dinner light. Use it to style up your living room. Use it in your reading corner. To light up whole the room.